Cockpit and Avionics of F-16 Viper. The F-16 vs. Advanced Glass Cockpit incorporates an upgraded mission computer and state-of-the-art avionics, including color multifunction displays, a large high-resolution center pedestal display, helmet-mounted queuing system, and a high-volume, high-speed data bus. The CPD enhances situational awareness of the crew by supporting real-time processing and imaging of flight safety data. The F-16 Viper is also equipped with an upgraded, programmable displays generator, a link, 16 theater data link, identification friend or foe and HF/UHF radio communications. It provides higher computing power to the avionics and weapons systems.